Today's video, we're going to make a chick. And making a chick is very easy. We'll create it in a beautiful way using a pencil and some colors. First, we draw the entire design of the chick with a pencil. With careful pencil work, we've completed its shape, and it already looks very beautiful. The chick's body outline is ready, and it truly resembles a real chick. You can easily follow this step by step. We've drawn all the parts of the chick, and they look very lovely, making it look like a complete chick. Now it's time to add color. To start, we fill most of the chick with yellow, because chicks are usually yellow. Except for its beak, we color all other parts yellow. We've also used a bit of purple in the design. Next, we'll use another color for its wings to make them look even more beautiful. For the wings, we add red color. With the combination of yellow and red, the chick looks very bright and beautiful, and its shape stands out nicely.